Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today I'll be opening up two mystery boxes from Adams Polishes. Now a lot of my viewers have been wanting me to check out Adams Polishes car detailing products, so today is that day. Now they're makers of these awesome mystery boxes that contain a lot of value for your money, so I wanted to look into it. We're going to open two different mystery boxes at two different price points, and there's also going to be a surprise. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I mentioned, today I'm doing the unboxing of two mystery boxes from Adams Polishes. Now, a lot of my viewers out there have been wanting me to review their products, so this is the first step towards that. What I thought was cool, now that it's Cyber Monday, and from today, November 26th, all the way up to December 31st, they'll be doing some awesome mystery boxes on Amazon with Prime shipping, of course. So we're gonna have a look at two of their mystery boxes at two different price points, see what's inside, and also I'm gonna calculate to see what kind of value you get. There's also gonna be a surprise later on in the video, so of course, stay tuned till the end for all the details. Now, Adams Polishes is a company out of the USA, and of course they make premium products, so what we're gonna check out today is two of their mystery boxes that they send out. I have to mention that their mystery boxes are completely random, so you never know what's inside, but there's a certain minimum value that you get. So for example, this box here, the smaller one, is a $34.99 price point, but you get for the equivalent of roughly $50 or more of products. And this other box here retails for $59.99, but you're guaranteed to have an equivalent of $80 or more of products inside. So we're gonna put these to the test and of course, see what's inside. So let's jump right into it. Oh, by the way, before I forget, don't worry, you'll be able to have access to these too. I'm gonna put links to these products on Amazon in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. We all love unboxings. Of course, I always do holiday gift guides on my channel for various stuff, but including car detailing items. And this year, I think these will make any person happy that loves cars in general, or even if you want to treat yourself to something awesome, why not? So let's see what's inside here. It's always exciting to unbox gift boxes of any kind. All right, so some packaging material. All right, first item. So this again is the $34.99 price point mystery box. So we have the microfiber wash mitt. We have the pumpkin spice odor neutralizer. So of course, this is a spray-on product. It will neutralize odors and not just mask them with a scent. So you're actually eliminating these odors. And my gosh, this pumpkin spice stuff that they have over at Adams is just insane. The scent is awesome. What else do we have in here? Ooh, the buttery wax. Now this is a carnauba infused wax with some polymer additives in there. So expect a couple of months of protection. But the cool thing, easy on, easy off, lots of gloss, and of course that buttery feel. It's super slick on the paint. It smells like strawberry banana. Yep, I remember that scent. So this is a great wax, and of course you can even use it in direct sunlight, so that's a good thing. What else is in there? Car shampoo. Now, you guys know this has won awards in my car detailing products awards video. It's a pH neutral car soap that you can also use as a pre-wash foam with your foam cannon. So very versatile, very inexpensive. Of course, no additives inside there. This is a pure shampoo. So of course it can be used with waxes, sealants, ceramic coatings, or on even a car that has nothing. So a great shampoo, high sudsing, very good lubricity or lubrication levels. So that's pretty awesome. You get the sprayer, of course, for the pumpkin spice odor eliminator or odor neutralizer. You get a couple of stickers. Oh, and of course of candies that are in the US of A colorway, so that's pretty cool. So that's it for this box. Now, let me go onto the website and add all of this up for you. So directly, of course, on the Adams website. So let me add this up. All right, so it looks like this all tallies up to $61.96. And this only cost $34.99. So you're getting tremendous value. What an awesome gift. So God, if this was that good for the small box, let's see what's in this one. So let's move on. All right, so mystery box number 2. Now this price point is at $59.99. So let's see what kind of value we get in this one. And I'm expecting, of course, some great things. So of course, these are all random again, which means, of course, you can have a great box. So the products that you've always wanted, or of course, sometimes, not that it's disappointing, but I'm sure you get not necessarily the items that you always want every time, but they always have tremendous value. So that's one thing that's a constant. So what do we have in here? First item, premium microfiber wash sponge. All right, so what else is in here? All right, so we have one of their new products that they unveiled over at SEMA. This is their new formulation of H2O Guard and Gloss. Now this is a water-activated hybrid formulation, so you can use it on a dry surface, so spray and wipe, or you can also use it on a wet surface for a wet application. Now you can basically use this on pretty much every exterior surface, and it's gonna add protection, slickness, gloss, and of course that awesome effect that we all love on a vehicle to give it that ultimate detailed look. A little tip that I give for this, usually it works better on a clayed and polished surface. So if you wanna get optimal results, make sure you always prep your paint properly. What else do we have in here? Oh, again, one of their new products that I saw at SEMA. This is their brand new spray wax. So what essentially, my understanding of this product is that they had their quick detail spray, which was very popular, but they bumped it up a notch as far as performance goes, and they added carnauba. So this is carnauba infused, so it actually gives you protection on a standalone paint. So with no protection, this will give you 1 to 2 months of protection, but you can also use this to enhance the durability or enhance the properties of your current layers of wax or paint sealants. Now this is also compatible, I've been told, on ceramic coatings, but of course on coatings, you better use their Ceramic Boost 2.0. So that's a SiO2 infused silica spray sealant that's more optimized for the formulation of ceramic coatings. But essentially the spray wax you can use pretty much on all the exterior surfaces, including plastic trim and chrome and all that kind of stuff. So this is a very awesome product. So those are their 2 new products that they unveiled at SEMA. What else do we have here? Revive Hand Polish. Now, as the name states, this is a polish that you can apply by hand. So it's gonna add some clarity, some depth and pop and gloss as well to the paint. And it helps prep the surface or act as a pre-wax cleanser before you go ahead and apply your favorite layer of wax or paint sealant. So that's pretty cool. What else do we have in here? Ooh, the strip wash. Now this, guys, you know how important it is to prep your surface before you go ahead and apply fresh layers of either a wax, a ceramic coating, or even a paint sealant. So to strip old layers of waxes and paint sealants, you want a stripping agent. So this is essentially a soap that you're gonna be able to use to wash your car. You essentially pour 2 to 3 ounces of this directly onto your wash pad or in a bucket, and it's gonna help to remove all that old layer of wax or paint sealant on the paint, so you make the paint bare. It's gonna be prepped and ready to receive a fresh coat of wax or your favorite paint sealant. So strip wash, this is a very effective one at that. So they give you, of course, the sprayers for the products that you need sprayers for. There's an extra cap. By the way, I love these caps that they have to pour the products. This is a very, very good one. Of course, I reuse them for multiple other products. They're that good. Adams Polishes sticker. That's always cool for those who love stickers. And again, some little candy or bonbons, as we say here in Canada. So of course the American flag, because these products are pretty much all made in the USA. So good quality. Now again, this is a $59.99 purchase point. Let me check on the Adams website again. What's the total value of these products? All right, so that's pretty cool. Well, this all tallied up to $80. So again, tremendous value. So you pay a much lower price point and you're guaranteed at the $59.99 retail price to get at least $80 or greater in value in products. So this is a pretty awesome mystery box, as you can tell. So lots of cool stuff. And now for the surprise that you've all been waiting for. So let me bring this up here. Now, This is their mystery trunk organizer. Now this price point is $99.99 on Amazon. However, you're guaranteed to have at least $200 worth or more of products. Now this is the granddaddy of them all. They have it there from time to time, so it's not always on. This is a specialty item and it's kind of a cool gift. So I'm super stoked because it comes with this trunk organizer. As you can see, this alone is worth quite a bit of money. Let's see what's inside. Oh God, all right, let's go through it. Well, already from the get-go, this is like a $99.99 item because I saw this on their website. It's like $100. It's their Adams ceramic paste wax. So this is a wax that's SiO2 infused, so you get a blend of carnauba and roughly a third, so 33% content of SiO2. So what's awesome about this wax is you can apply it on top of ceramic coatings. Or of course, you can use it as a standalone product for many months of protection, much higher durability, up to 2 times compared to your standard carnauba wax. And of course, you get the added properties of SiO2 or silicon dioxide infused stuff. So that's the ceramic portion or the glass coating, as we say. So you get greater water beading and sheeting properties. You get that crazy hydrophobic effect. Of course, built-in UV protection, that insane gloss, the durability, so on and so forth. So, well, it's already started up pretty well for that. What else do we have in here? We have the Adams Polishes clay bar. So what else do we have in here? Oh, we have their cockpit brush. So anything basically in the interior, upholstery, carpeting, so on and so forth. We have the Hex Grip tire dressing applicator. Now you guys know I love this applicator because I use it in all my videos to apply tire dressings. This is my favorite one. Next, we have the Adams Tire Shine. Now this gives a glossier finish compared to their traditional VRT, which is more of a matte finish. So for those of you who want to boost in gloss, Tire Shine is the one. We get their leather and interior cleaner. We always need that, right? Edgeless utility. So this is a versatile microfiber towel. We have their borderless gray plush towel. So this is a very, very soft towel for final buffings or applying, of course, your favorite spray waxes or your quick detailers. We have the double soft polishing towel. Oh, you also get an Adams Polishes $15 gift card. That is pretty cool, guys. They keep on surprising us. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Again, even more towels. The Great White Drying Towel. So, of course, here you see the waffle weave pockets. Great for drying the vehicle. So, of course, we get all the sprayers to the different products. Oh, the Ultra Foam Shampoo. Now, this was featured in one of my videos as a top contender for a pre-wash soap that you can use with your foam cannon in the pre-wash stage. So this is before you actually hand wash your car. This is to help loosen any loose dirt or contaminants that are on the paint. And then you rinse them away before you do your contact wash with your favorite wash mitt. Oh, their famous detail spray. This is a very popular product over at Adams. Oh, yes. This is their ceramic boost. Now this is a silica spray sealant. So essentially this is to be used as a topper or a maintenance product for ceramic coatings. Adams Polishes has their own ceramic coatings. So this is a great one, and you can also use it as a standalone product or as a standalone sealant for your paint. So SiO2 infused, lots of gloss, lots of shine, and of course that added protection and slickness that we're all looking for. You get an interior detailer because of course you got to keep your interior clean as well. Wow, there's so much stuff. I barely have space on my table. So you get a wheel brush, and of course you get a tire brush. So everything you need to take care of those wheels. Oh, I like this one. The Adams Tire and Rubber Cleaner. So of course, before you apply your favorite tire dressing, I always recommend to degrease your tires with a tire and rubber cleaner. This one from Adams is a very, very good one. Well, talking about wheels, they gave us everything we need to take care of the wheels, because there's Adams Polishes Wheel Cleaner. So this is a very, very effective wheel cleaner, safe for pretty much all finishes on your wheels. So we got everything we need here to do an awesome job. I'm overwhelmed with everything in there. Of course, you get some awesome stickers inside, and you get the classic Adams candies in there. Let me go and see what's the total value. Again, on the Adams website. Let me tally up everything that we have here and see what kind of value we're getting. So guys, this whole package totals $373.85 retail. That's insane because this is a $99.99 package. So you're getting almost 4 times your value in items. This is absolutely nuts. So this is their mystery trunk organizer. And of course in there, you get this cool trunk organizer if you want to bring your products with you. Say for example, you're a mobile detailer, or you want to go over and detail at your friend's house, or you just want to keep some products in your trunk. Well, here it is. There's a pouch in the front so you can store things. And let me show you inside here. So you can see it's all with different compartments in there. That's pretty cool. And from what I can tell, you can move these dividers around because they're with Velcro. So, well, how fitting that we have a trunk organizer on Pan the Organizer's website. So that's right, on Pan the Organizer's YouTube channel. So guys, as you saw today, all these mystery boxes, you're getting tremendous value. So they're live right now on Amazon with Prime shipping. So go check it out. I'll leave the links in the description under the video so you guys can have access to these right away. So you have the $34.99 mystery box number 1. That's the entry-level box. So you're guaranteed to have at least $50 or greater in value. Then you move up to mystery box number 2. So that's a $59.99 retail, but you're guaranteed to have at least $80 or greater of detailing products. And from time to time, they add this mystery trunk organizer box. So this is a $99.99 retail, but you're guaranteed to have at least $200 or greater in car detailing products. So guys, this is pretty cool. All these products are awesome from Adams Polishes. By the way, if you want to see me do my classic brand review for Adams Polishes products, let me know in the comment section under the video, and I'll make sure to make a full review of all their products, and of course give you some tips and tricks on how to use them, how to apply them, and how to get the maximum performance out of them, because you guys know that's what we do here at Pan the Organizer YouTube channel. So of course, I want to thank Anis and all the team over at Adams Polishes for making this video possible. Shouts out to you guys. Again, the links to all these cool items and mystery boxes are in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. If you like this kind of video, of course, show me your support, smash the thumbs up button. Also, if you haven't done so yet and you want to continue to learn more about car detailing products, equipment, tools, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video. And that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.